Our next problem is the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are 2 comma minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2, 2 comma root 3 minus 1 by 2. Here given vertices are a 2 comma minus 1 by 2, b 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2, c 2 comma root 3 minus 1 by 2. Here if you observe here, equation of AB is, so here y coordinates are same, y is equal to minus 1 by 2, and the equation of AC is x coordinates are same, that is its equation is x is equal to 2. So here AB is perpendicular to AC, okay, implies triangle ABC is right angle triangle with right angle at A, implies orthocenter of the triangle is A 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Next problem is, if A is 3 comma minus 4, B is 7 comma 2, are the ends of diameter of a circle and C is a point on the circle, then the circumcenter of triangle ABC is, we are given that AB are ends of a diameter. A comma B are ends of a diameter of a circle, and C is any point on the circle. Now in semicircle, angle is always right angle. So here this is semicircle, here angle here C is equal to always 90 degrees. Therefore triangle ABC is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, circumcenter is equal to midpoint of the hypotenuse. Implies circumcenter is A plus B by 2, that is 3 plus 7 by 2 comma minus 4 plus 2 by 2, that is 10 by 2 is 5 minus 2 by 2 is minus 1 is the circumcenter. next problem is in triangle ABC the vertices are A 2 comma 3, B minus 2 comma minus 5, C minus 4 comma 6. If P is a point on BC such that AP bisects the angle A, then P is equal to, here ABC are given, P is a point on BC such that AP bisects the angle A. Here AP is the internal angular bisector, angle A. Therefore P divides BC in the ratio AB is to AC. Here point A is given as 2 comma 3, B is minus 2 comma minus 5, C is minus 4 comma 6. Find the distance AB. AB is equal to root of 2 plus 2 4 square, 3 plus 5 8 square, that is root 16 plus 64 root 80, that is 16 into 5, that is 4 root 5. Now distance AC is equal to root of 2 plus 4 square, 3 minus 6, that is 3 square, that is 36 plus 9, that is root 45 is equal to 9 into 5, that is 3 root 5. Now AB is to AC is equal to 4 root 5 is to 3 root 5, root 5 gets cancelled, that is 4 is to 3. Therefore P divides BC in the ratio 4 is to 3. Here B is minus 2 minus 5, C is minus 4 comma 6. Therefore coordinates of P are 4 into minus 4 plus 3 into minus 2 by 4 plus 3, 4 into 6 plus 3 into minus 5 by 4 plus 3, that is minus 16 minus 6 by 7. This is 24 minus 15 by 7, that is minus 22 by 7 comma 9 by 7 is the point P coordinates. Our next problem is if delta 1 comma delta 2 are the areas of incircle and circumcircle of triangle with sides 3 comma 4 comma 5, then delta 1 by delta 2 is equal to, so here let A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. Here if you observe, A square plus B square is equal to C square, implies triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Okay, here delta is equal to half into 3 into 4 area, that is 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Now in radius in radius r is equal to delta by s, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. From properties of triangles, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. 5 plus 4 9 plus 12, 12 by 2 is 6. So r is equal to delta by s, that is 6 by 6 is equal to 1. Now circumradius r is equal to hypotenuse by 2 in right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Therefore, your hypotenuse is 5 by 2. Circumradius is equal to 5 by 2. Now delta 1 is equal to pi r square, area of in circle, that is pi into 1 square is equal to pi. Delta 2 is equal to pi into capital R square, area of circumcircle, that is pi into 5 by 2 whole square, that is 25 by 4 into pi. Now delta 1 by delta 2 is equal to pi by 25 by 4 into 5. Pi gets cancelled, that is equal to 4 by 25. Our next problem is circumradius of the triangle with the vertices 2a comma 0, 2a comma 2b, 0 comma 2b is here given vertices 2a comma 0, let it be a, b 2a comma 2b, c 0 comma 2b. Here equation of AB is, here x coordinates are same 2a to a, therefore equation of AB is equal to x is equal to 2a. Equation of BC is, here y coordinates are same, therefore y is equal to b is the equation of BC. Here AB is perpendicular to BC, since AB is vertical and BC is horizontal. Therefore implies triangle ABC is right angle triangle with right angle at B implies AC is the hypotenuse. Now in right angle triangle, circumradius is equal to, in right angle triangle circumradius is equal to hypotenuse by 2, that is AC by 2. Therefore AC is equal to root of 2a minus 0 whole square, that is 2a square, plus 0 minus 2b whole square, that is 2b square by 2. So if you take 2 common, 2 into root of a square plus b square by 2, the 2 gets cancelled. Therefore circumradius capital R is equal to root of a square plus b square. Next problem is, if the vertices of a triangle are 0, 0, root 3, root 3, minus root 3, 3, then the incenter is here given vertices O 0, 0, A root 3, 3, B minus root 3, 3. First find the lengths of the sides. OA is equal to root of 3 plus 3 square, that is root 12. AB is equal to root of 2 root 3 whole square, that is also root 12. OB is equal to root of 3 plus 3 square, that is also root 12. Here all sides are equal. Here OA is equal to OB is equal to root 12, implies triangle OAB is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, incenter is same as centroid. Therefore I is equal to 0 plus root 3 minus root 3 by 3. 0 plus 3 plus 3 by 3. This is 0. This is 3 plus 3, 6 by 3 is 2. Incenter is 0, 2. Next problem is, if A is 3, minus 4, B is 7, 2 are the ends of a diameter of a circle, and C is 3, 2 is a point on the circle. Then the orthocenter of triangle ABC is here. A, B are ends of a diameter of a circle. C is any point on the circle. So clearly angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees, since angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. Semicircle is 90 degrees. Therefore triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle with right angle at C. Therefore orthocenter of the triangle is ABC is C itself, that is 3, 2. Our next problem is A is 3x1, 3y1, B is 3x2, 3y2, C is 3x3, 3y3 are the vertices of a triangle. Vertices of a triangle with orthocenter H, x1 plus x2 plus x3, y1 plus y2 plus y3. Then angle ABC is equal to, here given vertices of a triangle. Given vertices of a triangle is A 3x1, 3y1, B 3x2, 3y2, C 3x3, 3y3, and orthocenter is given as H is x1 plus x2 plus x3, y1 plus y2 plus y3. So let us find the centroid of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is G is equal to 3x1 plus 3x2 plus 3x3 by 3, 3y1 plus 3y2 plus 3y3 by 3. Take 3 common and cancel it. Therefore centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3, y1 plus y2 plus y3. So here centroid is same as orthocenter. So it is possible only in the equilateral triangle. Implies triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle all angles are 60. Equilateral triangle all the angles are 60 degrees. Therefore angle ABC is equal to 60 degrees, that is pi by 3 radians. Next problem is the distance between the orthocenter and the circumcenter of triangle with vertices 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 6 is here. Given vertices are 0, 0, a 4, 0, b 0, 6. Here equation of OA is y is equal to 0. Equation of OB is x is equal to 0. Here OA perpendicular to OB. This is x axis. This is y axis. Implies triangle OAB is a right angle triangle with right angle at capital O 0, 0. Implies orthocenter of the triangle is 0, 0, and circumcenter in right angle triangle circumcenter is midpoint of hypotenuse. S is equal to a plus b by 2. Hypotenuse is AB. S is equal to 4 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus 6 by 2. That is 2, 3. Now distance between orthocenter and circumcenter. Is OS is equal to root of 2 square plus 3 square, that is equal to root 13.